How to set high graphic setting for your DLS. For this, open a DLS app and tap on the setting option at the top. Tap on the advanced option. Then you have to tap on the setting icon on the screen. Now increase your frame rate to 60 fps and quality to high, then tap on OK. And yes. Now once your game has restarted, you have to head back from here and now you have to open your phone setting. Tap on the search icon at the top. From here, you have to search for a developer option, so go ahead and type in it. Then tap on the suggestion of developer option. From this list, you have to go ahead and find the option of graphic driver preference and tap on it. From here, search for the application of DLS and tap on it. Tap on System Graphics Driver. Now, once it is set, you have to restart your device, so go ahead and do that. Now, once you do that, your DLS will have a high quality graphic for itself. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.